Welcome to the newest episode of Smart Theory. Your cell phone is pretty good, right? But is it as good as it could be? You probably have a 4G LTE internet connection that's so blazing fast that you could download an entire HD movie under an hour. So, are you satisfied with that kind of internet speed? Some of you may say no, but some of you may say yes. So for those who are saying no, big telecom companies have decided that you need something bigger, faster, and more responsive, and it's right around the corner. After months of deliberation, the group of biggest telecommunication companies in the world, called the 3GPP, finally agreed on standalone standard of 5G, the way faster next generation wireless data transfer technology. A brand new standalone 5G network is not just upgrade to existing 4G LTE infrastructure, but its download speeds are 100 times faster than the current speed of your 4G LTE connection. Bringing the loading times on your iPhone to a fraction of their current time. It also brings a substantial amount of advantages over older networks, which includes autonomous car could have a much more easier time spending vital information from one car to the other, and even help ease congestion. Secondly, it could take over the virtual reality to the next level because we are having a blazing fast data. Thirdly, the AI systems could run top of wireless protocols without the speed of a central computer. And there are a lot more to do. But one more I'm counting is there could be brand new connected devices we haven't even thought of yet. But despite all this good, a faster connection data could bring not everybody is happy. According to the conversation, the Australian government found that many of the frequency bands 5G would use were hogged by the government agencies such as weather systems and military radars. And as the reality of 5G creeps closer, the government is struggling to find an arrangement that suits both its agencies and the internet service providers, which is making the ISPs a difficult choice to play with the 5G game. So ISPs that want to cash in new frequencies that 5G will open up, for instance, weather radar network use frequencies that is very close to those that are auctioned off to the ISPs, making weather data vulnerable to interference and other spillover effects. Well, to justify the conclusion, what we do know is that 5G network can open a lot of doors for consumers, industries, telecom companies, and governments alike. And everyone is wondering that when 5G is going to launch in their own area. Well, that's the topic for another Smart Theory. Let me know your thoughts about this one. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.